Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to be discussing the insert menu. We're going to focus on the images submenu, and the images submenu allows you to add photos and images to your PowerPoint slide. Now the easiest way to add an image to your slide wouldn't even involve the menu at all. What you'd be able to do is you'd be able to drag and drop a photo onto your slide. Of course, you'll be able to control the sizing. What you'll see when you have the cursor on top of the image or you have the box selected is that you have a picture tools menu, and that'll give you options of being able to change the nature and the appearance of the image that you have placed inside of your presentation. When you place your cursor so that it's not highlighting the box or the image, your regular menu will then come back. So going back to the insert menu, and we're going to click on top of this image, and then we're going to click on top of the bars and then delete it. We are then going to go to our insert menu. We're then going to click on pictures, and this is going to do the exact same thing. We're going to be able to grab an image from our hard drive, and then we're going to be able to insert that image to the area, and then we'll be able to control the sizing, of course. And you'll see again that the picture tools menu is then available, giving us options to change the appearance of the image. So going back to the insert menu, you'll then see that you have a section called online pictures, and this will give you access to images on the Bing search engine. Now you are going to want to be aware of the rights to each and every one of these photos before you use it, and especially if you're going to be using it for commercial purposes. If you don't want to use any of the Bing photos, of course, you have the option of just pulling the images from your personal storage space on Microsoft OneDrive. And PowerPoint also gives you the option of being able to add in a screenshot. So for example, if we were to click this screenshot button, you'll notice that there are some screenshots that are already available. However, we're going to go ahead and we're going to take a screenshot. So we're going to click screen clipping. We're then going to take our plus button. We're going to outline the area where we want the photo to be taken. And you'll notice then that that photo is then onto our PowerPoint presentation. We can size it down. And again, you'll notice that we have the picture tools menu available. So we basically have the ability to add in a screenshot. Now the last thing we're going to look at here is that we have the ability to add in an entire photo album. And to do that, we're going to click on this button. You're going to notice then that you have a button that you can click called File/Disk, and that's going to open up into a directory. You're going to want to find the directory where the photos are, where you want to add in multiple photos. And to do that, we're going to select all of the photos, or just the ones that you want. We're going to click the Insert button. That's going to bring us to another dialog box. And what we're going to do is we're going to highlight all of the images. We can then decide on how we want the images to be laid out. In this case, we're going to place one picture for every slide with a title. Now, you do have the opportunity to choose the kind of theme that this is going to go into. In this case, we're going to stick with the plain white office theme. We're going to click select, and then we're going to click create. And then we have our photo images. And of course, what you can do then is you can click on all four of these images. We can then right click and then click copy. We can then head to our presentation, and we're going to place our cursor where we want those photos to appear. We're going to actually then click Control V. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.